band superstar. Okay pa ba kayo, girls? Okay na okay sila. Isa-isa na napupuno ang safe side natin, ha? Kaya sino kaya ang susunod na uupo? Si Ford o si Neil? Well, bago ang performance nila, balikan natin ang naging journeys nila. Panoorin natin to.
Ang boy next door ng Cebu at ang hangky haranista ng Valenzuela, Ford and Neil. Pagdating sa charm,
Dapat niyo po kayo boto dahil makakita po kayo ng isang lalaki na masarap titigan.
Tititigan mo lang siya. Ay, si ate!
dahil sa angking charm, parehong pasok sa girl. Sunod naman ang boy band appeal.
Parang hindi kang amateur. Parang nag-training ka na. Pwede ka sa boy band.
Kagwapo naman ng batang ito. Sa boy band superstar. Doon kita nakikita talaga.
Nang nagsimula ang live shows, parehong suki sa boy band of the week.
Hey, come on! Ikaw ay nasa
Kapwa naging most improved performers. Isa, pagaling ng pagaling.
Tapos na ang contest. Ford, pagaling ka ng pagaling.
At isa naman natutong makinig.
Magtuwa ako kay Neil kasi nakinig ka sa akin. Ngayon, nanggugulang ka na. Sumabay ka talaga sa kanila, which is really good.
Parehong magaling kumanta.
Grabe! Etong sinasabing laban.
Parehong mapagmahal sa pamilya. Ngayong gabi, ibubuhos na nila ang lahat. It's Ford and Neil.
Gotta change my ass in the machine. Now that I'm alone, can't go to the phone. And I know it makes no sense. You walk out the door. That is the only way I hear your voice anymore. It's the most for some reason. And I'm strong, but then no more walking around with my head down. I'm so over being blue, crying over you. Said I'm so sick of love, so tired of tears, so done with wishing you were still here. Said I'm so sick of love, so sad and slow. Why can't I turn on the radio? Don't make me think about this now. I haven't left much time. Let it go. Turn off the radio. Said I'm so sick of it. So tired of tears. So done with wishing we were still here. Said I'm so sick of it. So sad and slow. Why can't I turn on the radio? So sick of it. Hey! So done with wishing she is still here. Said I'm so sick of love, so sad and slow. Why can't I turn on the radio? Turn up the radio. Turn off the radio.
Palapakan naman natin group So Sick! Thank you. Wow! Boys, eto na. Alamin na natin ano ang masasabi ni Kuya Aga. Kuya, alam kong hirap na hirap ka.
Tumatayo yung mga judges dito, yung mga kasama ko. Palibasa, hindi kayo maging-desisyon. Okay, Ford, Neil. Ford and Neil, listen. Girls, parehong kayong sobrang galing. Tonight, you're like, wala, you're made. You're made. Neil, from yung unang-unang araw mo up to now, Napakalaki ng pinagbago mo talaga.
Thank you po.
So, no question. Fourth naman, nung na-bottom ka and you performed, pinakita mo naman yung galing mo rin. And even now, dala-dala mo yan. And lahat sila alam yan. So both of you, congratulations. But remember this, kung sino man ang ma-out sa inyo tonight, remember this, it's not the end because there's still tomorrow to prove yourselves, okay? Remember that. I have to choose one.
Thanks, Kuya Aga. And you are absolutely right. Ngayon, we need your decision. Huwag kang tumakas. Sino sa kanilang dalawa ang pupunta sa safe side? Sino naman ang mapupunta sa alanganin? Ikaw ba yun, Ford? O baka naman ikaw, Neil? Kuya Aga.
You know, ngayong gabi, pinatunayan mo talaga na handang-handa ka pa lumaban. So, para sa third grand finalist na ipapasok ko kaagad, ang pinipili ko ay si ang hirap. Okay, Neil.
Congratulations, Neil! Ikaw ang third grand finalist namin! Sige po, pwede ka na umupo dyan sa same side. Ford, I'm sorry, pero magkita-kita pa tayo ulit mamaya, alright? Pwede ka munang bumalik sa backstage. Thank you so much, Ford. Only one seat left sa safe side. Kanino kaya ito mapupunta? Ang pares ng dalawang rockers. Only here on Pinoy Boy Band Superstar.